So guys, I found another free paying website that is paying now. It is free. As in you can make 7,000 naira here a day. I'm not joking, I'm not capping. It is free. This update fit pass someone for a relationship. I don't dey talk am since and I think say I dey lie. Watch till the very end to know how to go about this update and earn money for yourself. It's very simple. So, the first time of coming across my video, please do well to like, subscribe, and also put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be first to get to know about. And also, my name is Nkiru Kakosh. Kakomi Coach Nikki. What we do on this platform is basically how to earn money online, how I earn my own money online. Everything I teach here is what I do to earn my own money. I take risks to make money. You understand? So do well in case you want to make money. You can, you know, join me and start making money. You get there is nothing like clickbait here. Whatever I do here is basically what I do to earn. You understand? So that's just it. So if you want to register on this site that I'm talking about, all you have to do is to click the link on the comment section or the description box area. It will bring you here. Once it brings you here, click here to get your new user bonus. Just click get. They say I should go and register. Okay, so let's register. Okay, so I'll use my email to register. My password. So I've input all my details. I will click sign up. It's verifying. Wait, let it verify first. So click sign up and it have registered successfully. Then let's click this get. I They gave me 330 naira for registration. So this update is basically linking your WhatsApp and you start earning money. Note, why doing this? Use your less important WhatsApp abeg or you create another WhatsApp for it. You understand? So create another WhatsApp for it. Make sure you are chatting people with that WhatsApp. Let it be your second WhatsApp that you are not making use of. You understand? So that even if they buy you, it will not get to. Though this site they have less banning, so let's get into it. If you want to link your WhatsApp, all you have to do is click on this scan. Once you click on it, you click on link with number here. Then in case if you are from any other country, you can put your country code here. You understand? Then you put your number, your WhatsApp number. Make sure it's your WhatsApp number. Okay. Let's say I put this number here. Then you click get key this here. Click it to be able to get code. So they'll send me number now. It's very fine. Okay. So they send me this number. If you see this pop up, click on it. Let's go. Click on it. It should bring you here. Click confirm. Click use mobile data and click that number that you saw here. See the number, you can see it's 8888. So just click 888888. So 888888. It's logging in. So you can see it is logged in. You get once it's logged in like this, you start and then let's go back to that breakdown. Yes, we have flash it so you can see my account is online. You get I'll start earning. And yeah, I'll start earning on this platform without doing anything, without basically doing anything. You understand? So it's simple as ABC. You too can start earning it. You too can start earning now for yourself. You get so this is free update. This is free and it is massively paying. As you can see on my screen, this is the payment people are getting from this platform. These are the payments. So what are you still waiting for? Join and start earning immediately. See you in my next video. Thank you.